Meanwhile, on her arrival in Shillong, President Draupadi Murmu was received by Governor Phagu Chauhan and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. She was accorded Guard of Honor on her first visit to Meghalaya. She later headed to Mawphlang Sacred Grove for a formal program where she virtually inaugurated the upgraded Rongjeng Mangsang Adokre Road and Mairang Ranigodown Azra Road and laid the foundation stones for the Shillong Peak Roadway and tourist accommodation in the villages of Kongthong, Mawlingot and Kudeng Rim. In her speech, lauded the indigenous ingenuity and wisdom of Meghalaya's forefathers, for they understood the importance of conservation of forests, stating that we should make sincere effort to preserve these kinds of forests while terming them as treasure house of biodiversity. Meanwhile, a cultural program is underway in the Raj Bhavan, where President Murmu is the chief guest. She will be staying at the Raj Bhavan for the night, and tomorrow morning, the President will unveil the bust-sized statues of the three freedom fighters of Meghalaya, U Tirot Singh, U Kyang Nongba, and Patagon Sangma in Raj Bhavan.
In no other place is that relationship more vividly enshrined than the Mawphlang Sacred Groves. The Mawphlang Sacred Grove is not just an iconic tourist attraction of Meghalaya. It is also a symbol of our rich cultural heritage, our ethos of being one with nature, which has been preserved and protected.
I am happy to know that Meghalaya has been making a determined effort to emerge as a model state and offering a balanced approach to modernity and tradition. With good FDI inflows, high efforts, and a dynamic demography, Meghalaya is emerging as a growth leader and offers an inspiring story.